Hello everyone, you're welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be showing you a part 2 version of how to make your custard from the comfort of your home. I have another video on how to make custard, so please check that out too, and let's jump right into the preparation. I'm Nancy Obebo. So in my bowl I have my corn flour, and this is about half kg of corn flour, and it cost me 400 naira. And I have my vitamin C, and this is 50 naira, and my milk powder flavor 50 naira. That's my banana flavor 50 naira, and my egg yolk 50 naira. And this cost me about 600 naira for everything. So let's go right into the mixing. So I'll be mixing my milk flavor with the corn flour. So we'll stir this properly to combine. Let all the colors disappear. So you can actually make this without using a blender, a machine for it, and you can do it from the comfort of your home. And this is my vitamin C. I use about 5 vitamin C. Just crush it to a powder form, and that is it. You mix, let the colors combine. And this is my banana flavor, and I used about half tablespoon of banana flavor, and my egg yolk, half teaspoon of egg yolk. So this is it. I'll be giving this a mix till everything is combined together. So this is the moment of truth. So we're going to be making our custard, and let's see how it is. Look at how it is right now. So colorful. So I'll be mixing it with my water, and it is time to make our custard. Please, if you have not subscribed till now, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe. Hit the notification buttons to get notified whenever I upload new video, and don't forget to leave a comment at the comment section for me. So this is it. So you can enjoy this with beans, akara, and so on. But for me, I'll be enjoying mine with akara. So I'll see you in my next one. Stay blessed. Bye.